Hey, what's up, guys? Let's solve this Leetcode problem called 1524 number of subarray with awesome. So return a given array, you need to return the number of array with awesome. Okay, so we know that right. So the number of subarray is like O(n) squared. So n is like 10 to the 5, right? So you cannot solve this by just enumerate all the subarray because there are like n squared of them. And but we know that there's an easy way called pre-sum, right? So basically, given any two, right? So you can use this pre-sum, or you can use this pre-sum idea, right? So this pre-sum will give you the sum from, let's say, you can define pre-sum, let's say p of, you can define p of I, right? Will be sum of the array up to I. Maybe start from 0 and up to I. Okay. If you have this pre-sum function, then the array, right? The array. Then the sum of the subarray will be just the difference between between two of this pre-sum. Okay, so the problem is that we need a pre-sum to be odd, right? So if it's odd, then it must be odd minus even, or even minus odd. Okay, but no matter what, it must be odd, even, odd. Okay, so it's very easy that you first compute a pre-sum and then you count how many even or odd. Okay. So for example, right, if there's a even and the odd even odd, right, you get 4 even and 2 odd. Okay, so the answer will be very easy. The answer will be just the number of even times the number of odds. Okay, the reason is that given any part of even or any part of odd, there must be either even is before odd or odd before even. But no matter what, you can always use odd minus even and give you one subarray which is sum is odd, or even minus odd which give you a subarray where sum is odd. So in either case that you don't care about whether the permutation of this even or odd it is, but however you just count the number of even times the number of odds, right? Because each pair, that each even and each odd must pair and give you one result. Okay, so for example, let's see this as an example. So in this case, that your pre-sum is first is 0, and then you get 1, and then you get 4, you get 9. Okay, so in terms of even or odd, you get even, odd, even, odd. So get 2 even, 2 odd. So the answer must be 4. 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay, so we first do the pre-sum, and we count even or odd, right? So we define even to be 0 and odd to be 0, and then we go through the pre-sum. If it's odd, so if it's even, this is even at 1. If it's odd at 1, we just count even times odd divided by like 10 to the 9 plus 7. Okay, so this is a very straightforward problem. It's a simple mathematical problem that you think a little bit, that you can directly solve it. Okay, see you guys next videos.